Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today when we are going to talk about guys realme phone guys Bluetooth setting, and today guys I will show guys how can we connect guys earbud with our realme phone. Friends, you have got this earbud like, and friends you want to connect with your phone, so friend, how can you connect today I will show you in this video guys. So before starting video friend, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon and like the video. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to connect your earbud. After on phone setting I will click on guys Bluetooth setting, and guys first of all guys now take out your earbud. Guys, you want to connect like one earbud, and friends you want to connect both of earbud. So when take out your both of earbud, and guys you can see your Bluetooth setting, and now we will turn on our realme phone Bluetooth setting guys. Then guys we will refresh. After refresh guys, you can see guys your device name. So when I have got this Payton TWS company earbud, I will tap here to connect. So friends you can see this notification guys, wait here. So friends, right side option guys, tap here to connect guys, you can see connected, and friends you can see in use for calls and media payback, battery level 60%. So guys now you can use guys your earbud while operating any app, listen song, you can use with your realme phone. So bye bye guys.